So what is the effect of noise on humans? Number one, ear damage. Oh, have you ever been into a restaurant and have you thought, oh, these guys are so loud? I have. And I didn't know why everybody was so loud. And then I realized, oh, they're not loud. They're speaking normally, because when they're on their motorbikes and the motorbike noise is really loud, they just have to talk louder in order to overcome the background noise of the actual vehicle. And so in normal life, even when that sound is not there, they're just talking normally. And that's very true for anybody who works in that environment or stays in that environment. They just become louder to overcome the background noise that they're living in. And that causes hearing loss. That causes how you interpret other sounds and all of those things. And other psychological effects that come along with it. So how do we control it? We can control it by controlling the actual environment. So we get rid of the environment, like the factory noise. We can dampen the machines that are making the noise. We can reduce the traffic. We can limit the traffic from, say, 9 in the morning to 6, to 9 at night to 6 in the morning. Actually, most cities have laws by which tractor trailers and not tractors, like trucks, big trucks, cannot enter their vicinities not in the US, but around the world, especially diesel trucks and those trucks that make noise, cannot come into the cities after 9 p.m. to between 7 a.m. or something like that. There is a limit when they can come in, just to make sure that people can sleep. Or you can change the path. That's the other thing. So you can place barriers between the noisy machines, if you can't control that, and the outside world, or the factory workers who are working in them, or the receiver, like by wearing headphones, noise canceling headphones now. Airplanes, people who used to get airsick, like in airplanes, have actually found that if you wear anyone get airsick or car sick? Try a noise canceling headphone next time. They help. And what it is that you could be either claustrophobic or just that the sound of that environment makes you nervous and you don't understand why you're being sick. And that's your body's normal reaction to it. Try noise canceling headphones next time. You're on an airplane or in a car. Trust me, it's going to make it better. So anybody who knows anybody who gets airplane sick or car sick, ask them to try noise canceling headphones. They work. Yes. Yep, that's the same thing, because they don't understand where they are. And actually, that's a really good question. Do you know why that happens? Is because you remember those ear canals and the water behind your ears that we were talking about? When you go from one altitude to the next altitude very quickly, your ears don't have time to adjust to that. And so your ears are just used to the atmospheric condition, the normal pressure that's here, and the pressure up there is lower. So then your ears are like, what's going on? And it's sending the wrong signal to your brain. And your brain is saying, okay, what can I do to save a life? And it's going to shut down all your unnecessary organs. It's going to say, okay, I need to throw up so I don't have much things in me that I can choke on, right? And that's why you start throwing up. So all of this is connected to your human body and your ears and your sense of hearing and how the brain reacts to changes in different things. Once you're up there, you're probably fine, but it's from down here to all the way up when the pressure is actually changing. Great question. Yeah, same thing. Wonderful, right? And so practical solutions would be to have as many sound absorbers as you can, and to create noise regulations. Make sure people don't make too much noise, right? So if you're silencer of your car is out, or your basically your household resonator is out, policemen will pull you over and say, get that fixed as soon as possible. Yeah. But there are rules and regulations that all cities have, or all counties have around the world to limit our noise. Okay, that brings me to the end of what I wanted to talk about. Hopefully this was fun.